In this part 1 video, I'm going to show you how to define a multi-dimensional JSON array. As you see here, it's an array within an array. And this is data structure that represent above JSON requests. So we're going to go to the S400, type Go handler, type option 3, press enter there. Function 6 to add a new module. We're going to call it multidimensional array. The same goes for the description. We're going to type the wrapper program. And in the override values, we're going to set the array request document to yes, as well as the array response document to yes, both of them. We did it with the JSON array document. Press enter. Now we're going to define the parameter list. Function 6. We're going to define the outer array first. No length and 10 number of elements. Press enter. Now the inner array with a length of 7 and also 10 number of elements inside the outer array. Press enter. Click function 12. Now it's asking me to resequence function 7. Now function 12. Now I'm gonna define the in and out. Function 6. I'm gonna select input. Then function 4. I'm gonna pick the outer array. And I'm gonna define as a placeholder because it's the starting of the array. We're gonna set the start to yes. And then the array tag is going to be no name, uppercase. As you see here, it has no name. It's going to be uppercase. And it's a multi-array element. We're going to make that yes. And the pattern is no name. We're going to press enter. Now we're going to define the inner array. Function 6, input. Function 4, inner array. We're going to define the field as number, a numeric of 7 in length, and the location is 1. The default value is going to be asterisk zeros for this one. And since we're dealing with the just values row, we're going to define yes for the start and the ending of the row. The back to start sequence is going to be number 2. You see there, no values allowed is going to be yes. And then it's also array tag is also no name, and the pattern is no name dot no name. Press enter. Now I'm going to copy the outer array there to create the ending row of the row. We're going to make the start no, the ending yes. The back to start sequence is number 1. And then we're going to press enter. Now I'm going to copy all 3 there to create my output. Same thing for the output. Press enter. I'm going to select output. Press enter. Output. Enter. Output, enter. Function 12. Now we're going to go to Postman. We're going to duplicate one of these. We're going to rename it. And we're going to call it multidimensional array. Press enter. Then we're going to change the whole name to multidimensional array. It gave me an error with service not found because as you see, I just enter multidimensional. I missed the array. So I'm going to type it, array. I'm going to save it. I'm going to send it again. As you see the definition. Now I'm going to add the values. Since I didn't add the value for the JSON schema, you see null there. So we're going to add one now. We're going to go back to the 400, 7, and then we're going to say 2 there. And we're going to make this one 45 for the schema default value presenter. And for this one, we're going to make it 99. Press enter. We have function 12. We go back to Postman and then send it. And you see 45 for the request. And now if I change it to response, you're gonna see now 99. So this is how easy it is to set up a multidimensional array.